Sure, hold it. Shit.
The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Burleigh County in south-central North Dakota, northeastern Morton County in south-central North Dakota, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is crazy.
7:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds.
Oh, fuck! Let's get the fuck out of here! Wait. Let's listen here. Dude, we gotta get out of here. That was fucking...
And moving east at 25...
Oh, shit, this way. Did you see it? Yeah! It was right fucking there, dude. It was right there.
And men at around 7:55 p.m.
What time is it? 7:55. 7:55.
It's 7:48!
7:48. Oh, God.
Jesus!
Let's get the fuck out of here.